Hello, my name is Dickinson Dodor. Today, I will be doing a walkthrough video for Module 18's homework. Yeah, to start, I had to create multiple routes, like user routes, and I had to add this friend schema into that user schema. Um, and then I had to create thought routes, and of course, also in the thought schema, there would be a nested schema that would be reaction schema. So, um, yeah, I hope all of that makes sense. And yes, we are ready to roll. So, to get all of the users, as you can see right here, it says you go to the path API/user, and we are able to get all of the users by ID. I mean, all of the users, okay, not by their IDs, but all of the users. And then let's say we wanted to get Duke with the first one right here with the Learnintino Learnintino Gmail. So we can just copy this ID right here, and we go to that user, and oh, it's already there, so we can just do that. And yes, there it is. And then if we go to create um a user, I have Camille right here, so let me change it to something like George. Let's say George. How do you write George? Yeah, George. Oh wait. George. George. I don't know. George. Go. I'm so bad. Anyways, George, and we do, for example, George, um, George, um, at gmail.com, and we post that we get our newly created user. And when we get all of the users, as you can see, you see George is at the bottom. Okay, so now we are able to get all of the users, get a user by ID, and of course create a user. And now let's say, okay, we want to, for example, Camille. Let's say Camille say, okay, I'm not going to put my real name, my real first name here, so let me put a different name, right? So um let's say Camille wants to update her name, and she can do Camille. Instead of Camille, she can do uh C4 C4 for C4 C4T, just something random. C4T, and then we do C4T at gmail.com, and we post that we change Camille's, and as you can see, the how would I say, um everything is still the same except the things that we have changed. And of course, to delete the user by its ID, we can get let's see, let's go get all of the users. I want to switch that. So we added George. Let's say we George don't wanna be there anymore, or we want to delete George after adding it. So we paste it, and then right here it returns George was deleted. And if we go get all of the users, get all of our users, we'll see that George has been gone. Okay, and of course for the Camille, there are two users named Camille there. So just so you guys are aware, actually email was supposed to be unique, but email was supposed to be unique, and I believe that it is. And if it's not, I will update it before I submit this. Anyways, so yeah, this is for our users routes, okay? And then with the friends, let's say um so for example, let me do the delete one first. So let's say we want um to delete, no, let's add a friend first. So let's say we wanted to add a friend. Let's get all of those users again. um so we have C4 right here. So let's say we want to add a friend to it. All we have to do is grab the C40 um ID, and then paste it. And then let's say who we want to put to be friends with. We want C4 to be friends with Tapa, and just pay attention to the ID here. Uh, to be friends with Tapa. So we go right here, we paste, and boom. Now it returns C4 with a friend count of friends of 1. And when we go, you can see that the new friend ID is being added, which means C4 now has Tapa as friend. As you can see, their IDs are matching. um and of course, if you want, if we said okay, then why don't we, something happened between them. For example, they say okay, we are not being friends anymore. So you can just copy this. Let me do this to, wait, no, I'm going to do this right here. We are going to copy this whole thing. And yeah, so they don't want to be friends anymore. So what is going to happen? We replace everything. So now we will delete them. Boom. Now C4, a T has a friends count of 0. And if we go get all of the users, as you can see, C4 now has a friends count of 0. um Anyways, now this is for those 2 users in the friends part. And now we are going for the thoughts route, okay? For the thoughts route. So let's see. um we go to the thoughts route. We have get all of the thoughts. Boom. So a thought, those thoughts were already there that I have created before starting out because I wanted to save time. And then now we want to get a single thought by ID. And as you can see, we have this first thought right here with the ID that ends in 0AC. And we brought it here. Let's say we want to get it, retrieve that. Now we say it's there and it says let's go. And it was posted by username, it was made by username Dustin, April 13th, 2023 at around 10 p.m. And then now we are able to get a thought, right? We are able to basically get all of the thoughts, get a single thought. And now we are going to create, okay? We are going to create a new thought. And I'm going to say James is the one. James is the one who posted it. And I'm going to say coding is the best thing ever. Okay. Now we are going to post that thought. James is posting it. Okay. Now it's created, and if we go here, we try to retrieve all of our thoughts. We can see now the thought that was made by James with coding that is best start ever. Coding is the best thing ever. Um, so yeah, and now let's say okay. James say okay, I don't want it. I don't want to write that anymore. Let me delete it. So now James can go right here and say okay, and boom, it's deleted. Everything that was there, that was there, is deleted. Now if we get all of the thoughts, now James and his thoughts are gone, right? Is one thought, of course. And then to update, okay, to update a thought, let's see which one are we going to update. Let's go Jake. Okay, posted posted this no, these are reactions. Okay, wait. So these are reactions, right? Wait, okay, thought ID. Okay, so jacking right here. So we can copy this right here, and then we say we want to update it. Okay, let me double check to make sure I got the right thing. So yeah, it has start fixing it, and it says I enjoy what I do so much. That's something that is very nice. And it says let's say I enjoy what I do because it's fun. Yeah. And then let's make it more fun. Now Jack and wait, did we get Jake? Okay. Okay, Justin. Did I get I enjoy what I do because it's fun? I don't think that's what I wanted to update, but okay, I enjoy what I do so much. So I think that's the one that I want to update. Paste. So I enjoy what I do. Something is not adding up. Wait. These are thoughts, right? These are thoughts. Okay, I enjoy what I do so much. So let me get rid of this right now. Let's go right here. Get all of our thoughts. Okay, reaction count 0. So this is a singular thought by itself, right? So if I do this, copy, and then I go to update it, and I paste it. I enjoy what I do so much because it's fun. I don't want it to go to Justin. I want it to go to Jackin. Oh, I see why it's not happening. It's not happening because shoot, it's not wait. Maybe username was required. Let's go here. Let's say username. It's going to be Shaken. Shaken. I don't know. Shaken as the username. Let's see all of it. Yeah, it's Shaken. And I enjoy what I do so much because it's fun. Boom. It's I see. I see. Oh, I see. And now Shaken Shaken, right? The thought that was made yesterday, of course, is now updated. I enjoy what I do so much because it's fun. Everybody. I don't know, something is not adding up, and I believe it might have to do with the route, but with this request thing, I will be handling it before I submit it. I apologize. Okay, now we have done all of this. We are going to reaction. So as you can see, this so let's say so it will be thought ID and then reaction ID. So let's see, we wanted to post it. If we wanted to post some reactions, we can get our reaction. Let's say you said you would, and you did. So let's say of course I did it. Not quite yet, but you see what I'm saying. Anyways, so now you say you would, it did. Of course I did it. Of course you did it. Of course, yeah, of course I did it. Yeah, let me just say that. Let's say Hannah. A boring name. Sorry. Anyways, yeah, and if we post that, you can see that of course I did it, and we have the Anna ID, and we have the reaction ID right here. And let's say Anna didn't like this, it's a little bit narcissistic, and she would like to change it. So all she would have to do is of course grab that grab it right, and now grab that reaction ID. Okay, grab the reaction ID and then paste it. Boom. Now it returns, the thought, and if you go to get all of the thoughts, right, boom, you will see that reaction ID. Of course I did. And wait, I tried to delete. So I have the reaction ID, right? And she said, of course I did. We have the thought. We copy this right here, we paste it, and then we boom, it was supposed to be deleted. So now let's go. Of course I did something. Oh, I see. So reaction ID, right? We get reaction ID, paste that. Okay, we already get this. We already get the third ID. Now, boom, it returns. It just returns. Yeah, it returns it without it, right? So it returns not it. There is only one. And now when you go, you try to find Anna's reaction, it was never there. Anyways, thank you guys for this assignment. I have learned a ton doing this. And yeah, I hope this is a good enough job. And yes, I can't wait for the feedback. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you. Bye.